25,000 euros for a house in Italy? Yes! And it's real, and it's in Tuscany, Italy. This house has 2 bedrooms and a massive ground floor. Let's see what these men can conjure up. Okay, this is seriously cozy. I think this is exactly how people imagine life in Tuscany. But are you ready to see the upper floor? Come on, follow me up.
So the kitchen is, well, let's just say it's vintage. It's time for a major upgrade. We're turning this into a Semper test, so let's get started.
Wow, I'm actually surprised by how much I love this. It's totally my vibe. But I'm curious, how would you guys renovate it? Anyway, let's go check out the next room, shall we?
So this looks like the master bedroom. Not bad, honestly, but I know we can make it way more modern. Let's let the pros do their job and see the magic happen.
Spot on. That's exactly the transformation I wanted. I think I'll just hang out here for a while, but feel free to go ahead and take a look at the kids' bedroom. Wow, this room is a total game changer. It would be the dream setup for my son. Wait a second. He'd probably stay in here forever. Anyway, let's move on. We still have a bathroom to check out. No, and 1,000 times no. You wouldn't catch me sitting on this toilet for even a second. This bathroom is a total place of disaster. Boys, you need to get to work immediately. This is a nightmare.
And we're done. The full listing link is in the description. If you enjoyed this transformation, drop a like, follow for more, and tell me what you think in the comments. See you in 2 days. Ciao.
A 110 square meters, 800 meters of land, right in the heart of the Tuscan Apennines. Fully peace and pure nature. But careful, this is a massive renovation project. Want a Seapole with DY and an 18,000 budget? Stick around and find out. Before you start inside, check the roof. We find the source of the leak first, then strip the damp plaster and let everything dry out professionally. If you cut corners now, you'll renovate twice. Find the cause, then save the structure. Even in the Italian summer, you need professional help. After fixing the roof and stripping the plaster, we run this industrial dryer for about 2 weeks. Heat alone isn't enough. You have to pull the moisture out of the core. Don't rush it, or the mold will come back. Before we touch the facade, we fix the foundation. Without proper drainage, heavy rain leads to damp walls and mold. You won't see this work later, but it's what actually protects your investment long term. Let's get digging.
Drainage is done. If you do it yourself, it costs next to nothing. Budget about $1 for the excavator and roughly $15 per meter for pipe and gravel. The rest is pure muscle power. Let's leave the guys to it and keep moving. Drainage is done outside and the roof is sealed, which is great. But look at this. We are losing almost all our heat right through these old single pane windows. Before we make this room beautiful, we have to tackle the energy loss. And here is the solution. We replaced every single window with high-efficiency triple glazing, and this only cost about $3 or $50K per window. Now, this Italian dream kitchen is not just gorgeous, but also incredibly energy efficient and comfortable year-round. Forget the green tiles, the real trouble is behind them. In these old Italian houses, the pipes are usually done for. If you just tile over this mess, you're planning your next disaster. We strip it to the brick and redo everything. Do it right once, and you're set for 30 years.
Wow, what a transformation. It doesn't just look refreshing because we tackled the rising damp with that exterior drainage. The air quality in here is on a whole different level now. I'm absolutely thrilled with this result.
Renovating these rooms is surprisingly cheap. All it took was 2 bags of plaster for $15 each, some paint for $10 a bucket, laminate flooring for just per square meter. Use the furniture you already have, and you're set. Ready to check out the garden?
This is the reality, weeds and bare concrete. But I already see a luxury terrace and pool. Want to see what's possible with DIY on a $25,000 budget? Stick around to find out.
Yes, you heard right, 2,500. It's all about smart sourcing and pure DIY. If you don't want to miss the next update, hit follow and let me know your thoughts in the comments. The listing link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Ciao.
All right, guys, check this out. A terraced house in Tuscany for just 39,000 euros. Sure, at first glance it was, let's say, rustic. But as a craftsman, I don't see a run-down house. I see potential. We rolled up our sleeves immediately. A fresh coat of warm ochre, classic Italian green shutters, and suddenly, this place looks like a little palace. It came with this old garage, totally overgrown and stuffed with junk. But the structure, solid stone, dry, and rock solid. That's pure gold for a renovation. We completely gutted the place. New flooring, proper ceiling, and look at it now. A multi-purpose hobby room with a kitchenette and a workshop corner. Inside the 70 square meter main house, the motto was, keep the charm, modernize the tech. Out with the old tiles, in with a new terrazzo style and a modern kitchen with those signature Italian backsplashes. It's bright, open, and super cozy. The bathroom was a time capsule from the 70s, and not the good kind. We ripped everything out. Now we've got a solid wood vanity and warm natural tones. The master bedroom stays classic Tuscan, iron bed, earth tones, lots of light. For the second room, we created a modern home office, wood look laminate and clean lines. I mean, who wouldn't want to work here? From a fixer-upper to a dream home. And here's the kicker for the skeptics. The entire renovation cost me less than 10,000 euros. How? Sweat equity, smart material choices, and focusing on what matters. 39K for the house, plus 15K for the renovation. You've got a home in Italy for under 50,000 euros. What do you think? A bargain or a headache? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to Renovai for more projects. Let's get to work.